Work I've ever done, but it's not going to go anywhere. The soldering gun, something's messed up with it, I don't know, but I can tape all this stuff up, get it kind of hid, and reroute my wire and get it where I want it, wherever. But yeah, so let's run that thing, see where we go with it. Alright, here we go. So I brought the other end of our wire in here. I hadn't cut it to fit yet. I just want to confirm that what we have out there is still working as it should. So we need to, you can hear the pump probably where it's running, but I got to figure out which way I want to configure my switch. But you can hear the fans. We'll put it where you can see it here. So just ground it somewhere. It cuts off and on as it should, so there's not anything else out there that I need to really be concerned with besides dressing it up, and it's all ready to cut to length, figure out where I want to install it. So when you're doing an install like this, you want to, like if you're wrapping wires or if you're soldering anything, you want to, before you do 100% install, you want to test, and like I finished out there to make sure I didn't pull any wires loose. Everything out there shouldn't be touched again, and everything still works as it should. I'll step out there and confirm both fans are working, but that should have us locked in. Let me go check both fans and we'll go from there. Alright, so reach in here. Oh yeah, absolutely. So you can see tear us off a piece of this paper towel. so I'm debating on where to put this thing. I do have the plastics for this. I'm pretty sure I'll have to hunt it up. I do have, right here's the bottom actually. I do have the bottom piece for down here. I'll keep the wire out of the way for now, but I have the bottom piece for around the radio, the bezel and stuff. I will have to figure out where the top piece is. I did have it somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I have to find this top section. I don't know if I have to buy a bezel. I know they make like a 3 bezel gauge deal there, or for, you know, like a solid block off for switches and stuff. So I don't know if I have to find that or if I can get this top section. I see a lot of people taking out the heaters and stuff, but I'm not going to do that. I still have heat. I still have all that. I don't have AC, but I do still have heat. You can see on the floor here, there's my fan. So we should still have heat in this jewel. So we do have heat. We do have all this stuff, you know, going our way. Now once I get that harness, I gotta start putting all this stuff back, clean all this mess up under here. I don't know if you can see it from where I've got the camera, but let me turn this off too. I got all this mess under here, the computer and all that. I've got to figure out, you know, how to clean that stuff up. This wire, that will have to, you know, run a certain way. I've still got plenty of length here to back that up to route it. I have to put the fan back in. The fan lives up in here, somewhere in that area. And I have to reinstall it, get rid of all that, you know, those parts in there, and mount some of that stuff so it don't flop around. And we will see what the next step is to getting this car running, driving. Alright, so this is the inside of the S14. I don't know if you guys have really seen much of the inside of this thing. I do have my plate ready. That's our plates that we sell. It's ready for the hydro handbrake. It's not installed just yet. There's no bottom of the back seat. It's here somewhere, I'm sure. And I don't have a passenger seat because this car didn't actually have one when I got it. But I do have that seat, which it had a different, it had no, I'm lying, it had the Sparko seats. Me and my son traded on them. That's right. But that seat, I had to get that seat in that bracket. It's non-reclinable, this interior of the S14. Alright, so today I finished the wiring on this thing. I don't have all the stuff to finish it on the inside. I have to get a panel or something to mount that switch to and finish wiring it in. I went today and collected some rent. Tomorrow I've got to meet a guy at the bank, and I've got to sign some paperwork on another house. I'm buying another house, and maybe sometime in the course of that come back here and finish this wiring, and maybe jump over to the IS300 and finish that. And we've got to get some of this stuff done. We're coming up like into January, into this month, and in February we've got 2 drift days we're looking at. So that's something we're definitely kind of keeping an eye on, is to get back to the track. So, alright. But either way, hey guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, smash the little bell, hit that bell. That'll let you know we've posted another video. For the ones hanging in there with me in the slow season, guys, thank you for watching the videos. I know they're kind of slow, but again, it is the off season and I don't have any help really. So we're trying to make the best of it, and hang in there with me. All right, guys, thanks for following. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high. feeling high.